is the machine that we're cutting on. Okay, right here we are. We just got a little program set up. All right, I have to hit memory. Cycle start. We're just doing some roughing passes, some roughing and turning. We're going to go back 1.5 inches. I think I'm taking off about 100 thousandths per side there. We're doing about, you can see the spindle. I've got a 2500 RPM limit on the spindle. We're doing 37% of spindle load. Here we come back in. We're coming back off our 71. We're doing a tool change, and the optional stop was on. And here we are coming back down. We're doing our finished pass with the VNMG. Coming in, coming up and out. Program over. We're going to open the door. We're going to take a really good look at the part. It looks really good. It's perfect. Gorgeous finish. Take a look at the machine on the inside. There you are. Well, there's tool holders, I think, in the turret. But here we are. Once again, looking at the screen. Come back at it. This machine has very low hours.